Make una come see the first African pastor, I mean Nigerian prophet, wey walk on top water. This pastor or prophet get mind walk on top Atlantic Ocean. I wan make una follow me watch the video. This is the first in history. The first African man to do this.
ọmụ Achukwu ka dibịa ana na mmiri na-ekwu agwaghị na ike niile tere aka Chukwu onye kere eluigwe ka ụwa si na mmiri enwere ilo. My people, do not be deceived. All power about to Yahweh Chukwu ka dibịa. Ike niile dị n'ụwa dị na mmiri duru enu ana dịrị aka Chineke. Idol bow for me. Marine kingdom bow for me. All forth bow for me. Because the power of Yahweh is in me. Jesus Christ of Nazareth, Yeshua. Now, do not make a mistake. I saw when Jeremiah, Amoto for Femi, did money to the little boy. Reason why I'm here, because of one that we go to the call Igbo religion. Let me tell you, Ame water is not Igbo religion. Marine kingdom is not Igbo religion. And Marine kingdom is not the owner of the water. Water belongs to the Yahweh Most High. So do not be deceived. Do not let anyone to tutor you. This is Atlantic Ocean man here saying this thing. That's all power is powerless. What money water is powerless. I have killed over 200 and something thousand people. I have delivered people from Marine kingdoms. Let me tell you, anyone that goes to sacrifice anything in Marine kingdom to please the gods, later that spirit will come back first. They became more. Even I want to get 200 guys in family, but you go spiritual husband and spiritual wife. If you don't have authority of the Most High, they already giving them permission to come back with force. Check anybody how to travel room. Check anybody when they go do water something. You will continue doing that sacrifice. Any day is not doing that sacrifice, that problem will become worse. So I'm here to warn you, Igbo, because everybody if I go wound, do not let too much forget to deceive you. Do not let too much forget someone to deceive you. I am the prophet David Yahweh who destroyed power of OK. The man who destroyed power of Mary. I fought war with Mary. I rejected pillar from occultic kingdom and Marine kingdom. Mary is also Marine kingdom. Marine kingdom is not here, it's in the second heaven. Know that. These are foreign angels. What I have been before the creation of foreign angels. When angel Michael and the devil fought, contested in heaven. When they contested in heaven, this water have the higher force on the earth. You can see the story is water that have higher force on the earth. So I'm here to speak this word. That this water belongs to Yahweh. This is the Red Sea. This is the Red Sea that Moses divided. I'm here to pass you over for you to take over from every power of darkness. The same way children of Israel pass over and they take over. They enter the promised land. Today, we are the Israel. The Igbo Jews. Yahweh, Elohim. Chukwu Kadibia, Chukwu Igbo gets the Chukwu Kadibia. The same way, Prophet David Yahweh, Chukwu Kadibia. When you see the case with the cause of Igbo and the divide, today, I'm here to command that every position of darkness will be entered the water. And the same way Pharaoh died, that every Pharaoh, every witchcraft, every Marine kingdom power will go down. And we are passing. I love you all. Do not be deceived. That you have a money. That does not make you a prophet of God. I'm here to ask Jeremiah for free. Thank you for giving them money. Well, the reason you are giving them money is it to support the family or to settle money water. If it's to settle money water, I mean I will fail. Like I told you people, 99% of prophets they belong to Marine kingdom. And Jesus, there's the true Jesus. The real Jesus is a black African Jesus called Yeshua. And the fake Jesus, Jesus of Europe, the one the people worship on Sunday, the religious worship on Sunday. Know the truth and truth set you free. I'm here to deliver you. I'm here to save you. The reason I came because of you. I am the angel of earth that live among the angels, the spiritual world. I love you all. Oh, yes, no, be can't arrange all the video. Shalom.
Hey God. Can you now see why women live longer than men? No, wait. If this water carry this man now, wait till we go tell our people. What point is this man trying to prove? I don't know. What point? To prove say now you get power pass, or to prove say Pastor Jeremiah Motofufeyi or the native author they not get power. And you go carry yourself, go dey risk your life like this. When this water carry this man now, you could start looking for who to blame. Look at him. No life jacket. Although I know so that no be Atlantic Ocean. This thing feel be one beach. But what point is he trying to prove? What point? Everybody na fake. I don't even know where the man even stand now. Only him talk say Mary na from Marian Kingdom. Only him talk say Jesus na fake. I don't even know whether na a Christian this man be now, or he be traditionalist, or Muslim. I no can't know. All this confusion now to just to prove say you get power. Upon all this power where you get, the small wave from the water still dey fall you down. Only you don't kill over 200 demons. Okay.